Oh, another day in England where it seems grey and miserable because it is.
Positive thing from this is I have been sent the new LG monitor and
Packages like this, it's usually from Razer. Who is this from? Razer.
I did say this package was from Razer, but I've opened it up just a little bit and it doesn't seem like a Razer product. I'm pretty sure I know what this is. I've wanted one for ages because I've seen nearly every streamer in the world with them, but it's not from Razer. It's a nano leaf. If you guys haven't seen these nano leaves, you can basically get these little triangles and they all clock with each other. So like you can like connect them and connect them and connect them, and you can just keep extending them to the point where you could fill an entire wall with these lights. Now you can connect them to your music, so like, you know, they go with the beat of your music. You can maybe make it ambient, you know, all sorts of stuff. Like you can change it to any colour you want as well. So like, look, so that's a style of pattern you can have. That's a style of pattern that you can have. So's that. Like, it's pretty goddamn cool. But I'm just a little bit confused as to why Razer sent it to me. Like, is this a company that Razer owns or something? Because I'm not too sure about that one. I don't think it is, but I'll take it because I was actually going to buy one. Nano Leaf, smarter by design. Welcome to a smarter life. And these are the light panels. Whoa, they're actually quite big. I thought it was much smaller, but you basically connect them all together. So remove this. And you use these little strips to attach them to each other. And you can have this big connection of the lights in sort of any pattern that you want. So say, for example, if I wanted just on the wall, just to have three like that, I could have three like that. I could have, you know, like a circle. I could have like a music note like you saw. It's pretty damn cool. Awesome gift, Razer. Thank you so much for that. But I don't know where to put it. Like, yes, I could put it on the back wall behind me, but then when I'm streaming, the light would be glaring into the camera, so I don't want to do that. Can't really put it on this wall because this is where I've got my cameras up on here at all times, so I can't do that. Anyone got any suggestions? Because I need some. Today was going to be the day I get a haircut, but it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon right now. I've done nothing with my day, so chances are I ain't getting it cut. Syndicate Originals, always so tidy. A comb, some slippers, a bag, a folder, some tissues, a bin, some shoes, 2 bears.
And an Alice!
Hi Alice, how are you doing? It's good to have you back. And I'm going to be in the UK for a while. Are you excited to spend time with me?
Yeah, why? You're not going anywhere.
No. You're falling apart at the bloody seams, woman. How old are you?
53.
53. Get it together.
Can't lose me, man.
What is this colour coordination? Brown boots, dark denim, blue, and a whitish scarf. My God, Karen, get your fashion sense together. Love you. Love you too. I've been summoned here by Alice to talk about Mother's Day plans, so now that I've insulted her, let's get the plans underway. It's almost like we recorded this.
You're 62?
Yeah, sure. I'll set. This one's creased, so let's get rid of that one. Oh my God, what am I doing?
When's Insomnia 62? Easter weekend.
March 30th to 2nd of April.
Easter weekend.
Easter weekend.
Yet? What code do you use for 10% off?
I-62 Syndicate. Yeah. Oh. Ooh. Hence you broke your wide angle lens before. Here's a little something to make your days better. I hope the care package you sent after later on brought us some joy. Aww. Thanks, man. Is it? This is the same package, isn't it, as that other one? It's legit. Why are you giving me a glove? It's actually the same one. I'm almost convinced that I tried this and it doesn't fit. It's the same. It's the same package. No, right. Look. Because that shows. No, that is an iPhone X camera setup. Oh, you're supposed to put it on sideways. Oh, okay. Right, wait. I'm going to show you guys the reason why this phone wide-angle kit doesn't work. All right, so according to the instructions, like, there's different ways you can attach it on, right? Obviously, you can put it on like this, so it goes over your lenses, right? But look, it doesn't fit on properly. But what I'm trying to show you, look, you lose the top right-hand corner of your phone. Now, the important thing here is on an iPhone X, you need the top-hand corner of your phone to slide down your, settings menu. You might go, all right, then put it on sideways. But even if you put it on sideways, like, over the lens, you... Seriously, how much battery did your phone have when you handed it me?
Don't do that! Can't say I'm having a new phone.
1% battery? Are you serious?
Do you need it?
I was filming something! You're one of those people who collects these. Like, some people have all of them since we give out these leaflets. If you want the chance to get one of these signed, link in the description, Syndicate Original, buy a shirt, you may get one of these with it. Are you glad that I'm not travelling as much now?
I like seeing more of you. No, I see a lot of you.
Do you think the vlogs are going to be boring now you're back in them?
No, that'd be better.
Oh, it's feeding time at the zoo. Stephen's gonna eat good. Yes. 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 Oh my god, how did I not see that? How old's that?
A 3-year-old. One of the biggest species in the world.
My goodness me, it's gigantic. What's that called again?
Mellors.
A what?
Mellors.
Mellors.
Yeah, I think it's second or third biggest.
Holy
chameleon in
crap,
the
that
world.
is gigantic. What a brilliant tattoo. Look at it, she's like, I don't want to.
Got a GTP on that side.
Oh, nice. Oh, whoa. Oh yeah, them claws. Whoa.
She's awesome.
Hello there.
She's beautiful. She really is.
3 years old?
Yeah.
That's a proper camouflage colour, that, isn't it? Hello. Oh my goodness me. Look at the size of this thing. How crazy is that? Shall I hold it?
I don't know.
Ready? Ready?
No, not yet. I need to put my phone away.
I'm not.
Welcome to Morrison's £1 aisle. You can get bulbs. You can get... What is it? What even is this? You can get big, bounce, bendy hair rollers. What else can you get? You know, you need those waterproof plasters, some fake Duracell batteries. Pretty good, pretty good. Time to party. What the hell is this? Musical birthday candle. But more importantly, you can get a selfie stick for £1. Oh my god, boys, let's test it out. What do you guys reckon? Should I start vlogging like this? Does that look weird? Thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to buy 6 of these for £6. Justice Squad police officer set for £1? Hell yes. I need as many as these as I can get. Lint rollers for days. Rolling away. You get it? It's a lint roller. No, I think it's pretty catist. There's not a single Scottish Fold cat on any of these boxes or bags. Like, I demand change. Look at this. All normal ears. This is complete bullshit. Sorry. I'm going to get you. It's going to happen. Warning. As per usual, I'm riding on my own. My fault because, you know, I was at Syndicate Original Office all day. I'm guessing by the looks of these lights, I've found the boys. I think they've finished the ride and they're on the way back. Have you finished? Have you finished your ride?
Yeah, we have.
Was it good?
Mint, mate.
How was it?
Coach Road now.
What's Coach Road? Oh, okay. What I was just saying is, I had to get the vlog up on time, so therefore I was late to riding, but it didn't stop me from finding them. So hey guys. Oh hey Mark. Dude, I wish I had a GoPro. Mate, my brother needs to give it me back. Look at that, what happened?
My hand's stuck.
Oh my god. You're right, flipping out, you were right in there, weren't you? Wait, you went from doing 30 mph to 0 in.
Fuck all.
Yeah, this is going to be pretty gnarly. This is snowdrifts the entire way down. Shit. Look at the tyre tracks. Look at that. They're well deep, flipping heck. Yeah, I think I should film your descent here. Go on, Graham, get back on it. Go on, lad, yeah. Don't want me dad's pushing it, the wimp. I'm going to try this. Before I bumped into you lot, I was actually dead nice, dead dry. Not wearing a lot of layers because it's not even cold out. Look at my legs. Mate, I'm absolutely soaked.
Mountain biking, mate.
How are you looking? A little wet? Dude, my bike just disappeared into that snow. Look at it.
I could have sworn it said it's a rocky descent, but they just stopped.
Yeah? Oh, I'm wrecked now. Tom, you look so clean. Oh my, how's your ride?
Yeah, it's been good.
You had a good ride? Oh, mate, wow. In that car, you've not been sat in that car all day, that doesn't work, have you? You know the car that doesn't start?
It does work.
Are you sure? Are you sure it's not been there since last time you'd offer me a
Got a
lift?
new key for you.
No, yeah. I actually thought I had a lot of time in video games played, and then along comes Graham, I think you have an addiction, like my dad said. They've hooked you in, they've reeled you in with DLCs. How many hours? 708. You got 45% wins. It's pretty good. Not
Great. It's
Do you reckon, hey, do you think, wait, here's an important question. Do you think you're better than me at Battlefield?
I've never played you.
Ooh. I'm telling you. Goodbye, my friend. Hey, good job with Gail's birthday yesterday.
Yeah.
I'm sure everyone in the vlog right now is like, oh, it's so beautiful. Ken, you did such a good job.
It was me, wasn't it?
You did a really good job. No pressure for me and other birthdays. I know, what's the name? Raging Rambo. I know I'm late, but a massive shout out to Lady Mac, Jay Marson, Misto, Joe the Duncans, Tyler, Tom Berry, and AK Arkabog.
Thank you for subscribing, man. I appreciate it. That's the way. I like it. Yo, look at the Twitch chat going absolutely crazy. Oh my lordy, that felt good. Shout out to Noel. Thank you very much for subscribing. Peppy, thanks for subscribing. Big Dons, I appreciate it with the 9 months. And Lewis, thank you very much for subscribing, man. I've finished streaming. I've come to bed. The cats have scattered. Right, my shoes, I put them there. That's not my responsibility. And none of this is. The teddy bear's clearly been involved in the play session, and you're just chilling on the bed now. Wow. You lazy bastards. And yeah, spoiler alert for tomorrow's vlog. I got myself a nice little trim. I finally decided it'd be in enough time, but more importantly, it had been more than 15 days into the Chinese New Year. So when I said, oh, I was going to get a haircut, was like, don't do it. If you get a haircut sooner, you'll lose all your money. And I was like, hey, I'm not really a superstitious person, but I do not want to mess with that, especially when I'm trying to involve myself in the culture and traditions during Chinese New Year. So I kind of listened to what she had to say. So got myself a haircut today, looking nice and trimmed. Not as short as I usually go. Keeping it like this, and we'll see how it kind of like looks for a while. If it needs a trim, I'll go back. But nonetheless, guys, I've got to end today's vlog here, so thank you very much for watching. I will try and get that nano leaf set up another time. I just don't know where to put it. Like, I really don't. Whether I put it on the wall here so it's out to the side so it looks cool, or whether I really don't know what to do with that. I don't know where to put it, and I would really like to put it somewhere so it has a home in the house, because I've always wanted one, because I've seen people like lyric with them and all sorts. So we'll try and get set up eventually. Awesome gift of Fraser. Thank you once again. I still need to unbox the LG monitor downstairs, so we'll do that another day. So thanks to LG for sending me that. But other than that, guys, I'm going to go. So thanks for watching. I'm going to be live streaming at 7 PM. Make sure you're there, twitch.tv/syndicate. Trying to stick to kind of nearly every day this week. So we'll see how that goes. Not good at schedules, as you guys know. And I will see you guys tomorrow at 6 PM for the next day vlog. Thanks for watching. Much love. And it's out. Hoss.